Hey there. Today, I'm going to break down some killer tips on how to save big on Microsoft Azure. If you're an IT professional, you know that cloud costs can get out of hand pretty quickly. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some budgeting and optimization hacks that will keep your wallet happy. First off, let's talk about Azure Cost Management and Billing. This is your go-to tool for tracking and managing all your Azure expenses. By setting up Azure Cost Management, you can get a comprehensive view of where your money is going and identify any potential areas for cost savings. Now, one of the best ways to stay on top of your spending is by setting up budgets and alerts. Go into the Azure portal, navigate to Cost Management, and set a budget for your resources. You can specify a monthly or yearly budget, and Azure will notify you when you're approaching or exceeding that limit. This way, you can take action before things get out of hand. Next, let's talk about optimizing costs with reserved instances. If you have predictable workloads, reserved instances can save you up to 72% compared to pay-as-you-go prices. All you need to do is commit to a 1 or 3 year term, and you'll lock in those savings. It's a no-brainer for any long-term projects you have running. Don't forget about scaling. One of the biggest advantages of cloud computing is the ability to scale resources up or down based on demand. By automating scaling, you can ensure that you're only paying for what you need when you need it. Use Azure's auto-scaling features to adjust the number of instances running your application. You'll save money during low-demand periods and maintain performance during peak times. Another tip is to review your resource usage regularly. Look for underutilized or idle resources and shut them down. You'd be surprised how much you can save by just cleaning up your resources. Azure Advisor is a great tool for this. It provides recommendations on how to optimize your resources and reduce costs. Finally, consider using spot instances for non-critical workloads. These are available at a significant discount but can be evicted when Azure needs the capacity. They're perfect for batch jobs, development, and testing environments where interruptions won't cause major issues. So there you have it. By utilizing Azure Cost Management, setting budgets and alerts, optimizing with reserved instances, scaling resources, and reviewing your usage, you can significantly cut down your Azure expenses. Start implementing these hacks today and watch your savings grow. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more IT tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.